Okay, here's a little product tour of Tawq.in, TAWQ.in. Once you sign up, you can log in with your email or your Google account or a Facebook account down here at the bottom. I'll select the Google account and then just choose the one that I use. This will bring up the Tawq.in homepage. These are called cards. They're videos with subtitles added. So in this case, I'm going to use Ali Salam, and I just click on that, and it'll open up, and this will be Ali Salam speaking in Jabali or Hakli, and the subtitles are what we'll be adding. So to do that, I go to contribute, and I'm going to add test, just a name, and I'm going to do it in English, but there's Omani Arabic, and about 40 other languages available if you want to use any of those. So in this case, we'll just stick with English and go to next. So Ali says a little bit, and what I'm going to do is translate what he said and record it using the red circle recording button. So record this, and then I push the button to stop it. So now he's going to say a little bit more. I can think about what he's going to say and record what he said. 1, 2, 3. So by pressing the record button and the stop button, I can just click back and forth, editing and listening to what he said. If I need to think about what he said, I can press the pause button, which is the white circle, and then play again when I'm ready to say something. So 5, 6, 7. Okay, so at this point, he said a few things, and I have a couple of things right here. There's an edit pencil if you want to edit anything, but I prefer to wait and save it, and then edit after it's been saved. So at this point, I can see a list of what we just saved. These are the segments. I can edit it here if I want to. Instead of do, it was actually so, and then save that. And if I want to see what it looks like, I scroll to this little triangle and play that subtitle. And it'll play that subtitle with the video. So you can see that the subtitles were put in place, synchronized where I said them in the video. So all the synchronization takes place automatically behind the scenes. And now it's ready. If I click on the snowman, the 3 dots, and share it, I can send it to whoever, and they can watch and listen to what I recorded. If you want to go ahead and add a new video, you'll click the plus button at the top here. You can use a YouTube video or the URL of it, or a file that you upload your own video. And then there's also some settings in the profile. If you go to your profile and settings, then you can change the theme. Advanced settings has some options of what plays first, and if you have captions in the audio or plays or things like that. And that is the basics of Tawq.in. If you have any questions or any comments about how to improve it, please let us know. Thank you for your time. Jazakum khar.